Welcome to The Magic of Migrating Birds, a time-lapse. Today, we're going to take a journey into the fascinating world of bird migration. We'll discover why birds migrate, the incredible distances they travel, and the challenges they face along the way. Birds have been migrating for millions of years. Each year, billions of birds fly from their breeding grounds to their wintering habitats, and back again. But why do they migrate? Birds migrate to find food and suitable breeding habitats. During the spring and summer months, they breed and raise their young in the north, where there's plenty of food and daylight. But as winter approaches, and food becomes scarce, they fly south to warmer climates, where they can find the food they need to survive. The distances that birds travel during migration are incredible. Some birds fly just a few hundred miles, while others fly thousands of miles. The Arctic tern, for example, flies an amazing 25,000 miles each way, between its breeding grounds in the Arctic and its wintering habitat in the Antarctic. Along the way, birds face many challenges. They must navigate through storms and inclement weather, avoid predators, and find food and water. They also must conserve energy, as they fly long distances with limited resources. Despite these challenges, birds continue to migrate year after year, preserving their species and maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. Their journey is a true testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Thanks for joining us for The Magic of Migrating Birds, a time-lapse. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of bird migration. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of nature. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.